When it comes to replacing windows in your Miami Beach home, one of the best choices you can make is to opt for impact windows. Miami Beach is known for its stunning coastline, vibrant lifestyle, and unique architecture, but it's also an area prone to severe weather, including hurricanes and tropical storms. Beyond the threat of extreme weather, homeowners also face concerns about security, energy efficiency, and noise pollution. Impact windows offer a comprehensive solution to these challenges, making them the top choice for window replacement in Miami Beach. Here's why impact windows are the best option for homeowners looking to upgrade their windows in Miami Beach. Hurricane and storm protection. One of the most compelling reasons to choose impact windows for your Miami Beach home is their ability to withstand hurricanes and storms. Miami Beach is located in a hurricane-prone zone, and during storm season, protecting your home from wind, rain, and flying debris is a top priority. Impact windows are specifically designed to resist the forces of severe weather. These windows are made with laminated glass that's much stronger than regular glass and can withstand high winds and debris. In the event of a hurricane, impact windows prevent the glass from shattering, keeping the exterior of your home intact and minimizing the risk of water and debris entering your property. This level of protection not only safeguards your home but also provides peace of mind knowing that your family and belongings are protected during extreme weather conditions. Enhanced home security. Security is another critical factor when selecting windows for your Miami Beach home. Traditional windows with single glazing or weak frames can be vulnerable to break-ins, allowing intruders to easily gain access to your home. In contrast, impact windows offer enhanced security features that make it much more difficult for burglars to break in. The laminated glass used in impact windows is extremely difficult to break, and the frames are designed to be strong and durable. When properly installed, impact windows create a formidable barrier against forced entry, helping to keep your family and property secure. This added security benefit is one of the primary reasons homeowners choose impact windows, particularly in areas like Miami Beach, where break-ins can be a concern. Improved energy efficiency. Miami Beach's climate can be hot and humid, and managing indoor temperatures while keeping energy costs in check is a common concern. Older windows, especially those with single-pane glass, tend to allow significant heat transfer, making it harder to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. This forces your air conditioning system to work harder, leading to higher energy bills. Impact windows are built with multi-layered glass that provides excellent insulation, preventing heat from escaping during the cooler months and blocking heat from entering during the summer. Many impact windows also come with low E coatings, which reflect UV rays, further enhancing their energy-saving capabilities. By installing impact windows, you can reduce your reliance on air conditioning, lower your energy bills, and create a more comfortable living environment year-round. Noise reduction for a quieter home. Living in a bustling area like Miami Beach can be exciting, but it also comes with its fair share of noise, from traffic and construction to nightlife and events. Excessive noise can disrupt your peace and quiet, making it difficult to relax, work, or sleep. Impact windows offer a solution to this problem by providing excellent soundproofing properties. The laminated glass used in impact windows helps block out external noise, creating a quieter and more peaceful indoor environment. Whether you live near a busy street, an airport, or a high-traffic area, impact windows can reduce the noise entering your home, improving your quality of life and creating a more serene atmosphere inside. Durability and long-term investment. Impact windows are designed to last, offering homeowners a durable and low-maintenance solution. Unlike traditional windows that may crack, warp, or fade over time, impact windows are made from high-quality materials that withstand the elements. The laminated glass and reinforced frames are resistant to damage from impacts, moisture, and UV rays, ensuring that your windows continue to perform well for years to come. Although the initial cost of impact windows can be higher than traditional windows, their long-term durability and energy-saving features make them a wise investment. With proper installation and minimal maintenance, impact windows can last for decades, providing lasting protection, comfort, and value for your Miami Beach home. Increased property value. Upgrading to impact windows can also increase the value of your home. In Miami Beach, homes with hurricane-resistant windows are highly desirable, especially for buyers looking for added protection and peace of mind. Impact windows are often considered a premium feature, and homes with these windows are likely to attract more buyers and command higher resale prices. Additionally, the energy-efficient benefits of impact windows make your home more appealing to environmentally conscious buyers, further boosting its marketability. Whether you're planning to sell soon or simply want to increase your home's long-term value, impact windows are a smart investment that can pay off in the future. Conclusion. Impact windows are the best choice for window replacement in Miami Beach for a variety of reasons. From offering superior protection against hurricanes and storms to increasing home security, improving energy efficiency, and providing noise reduction, impact windows provide comprehensive benefits that enhance the comfort, safety, and value of your home. While they come with a higher initial cost, the long-term savings, durability, and peace of mind they provide make them a smart investment for any homeowner in Miami Beach. If you're looking to protect your home from extreme weather, improve its energy performance, and increase its overall value, impact windows are the ideal choice.